Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your ACER Chromebook 315. First, right click on your desktop and then select Set Wallpaper and Style. Now you can choose a wallpaper and accent colors to your wallpaper. Among the recommended ones, you can also change your theme from light to dark or just set another theme if you want to. You can enable Screensaver in this menu. The Screensaver is just like wallpaper, except for it will be enabled when your device has been idle for some time. So let's also check this feature. In order to enable Screensaver, you have to switch this toggle to the right and then select a topic for your Screensaver. So here we have one animation, which is slideshow, feel the breathe, float on by, and we can choose the image source either from Google Photos, so that we can choose our own photos, or the art gallery, so that we can choose the recommended ones. And on the Screensaver we'll also be able to check the current time and temperature outside, and we can choose either we want to see the degrees in Fahrenheit or Celsius by selecting the respective option at the bottom of the screen. And we can also change the time for time of activity for our Screensaver while a device is being charged by expanding this list and selecting one value from it. By default, forever is set. If you're wondering what it looks like, it looks like somewhat like this. Okay, so now let's go to the primary wallpaper menu. Now here we can choose either one of the topics for our wallpapers, or we can choose our own photos to be wallpapers. Just choose some photo from your Google Photos if you want your own photo to set your own photo like as a wallpaper, or just choose one of the available topics and then select an image from it. And yeah, we can also select change daily if we want our wallpaper to switch something just lagged. So let's give the laptop some time to process things. Okay, now if we switch on change daily option, our wallpaper will be switched to another. We can also refresh the wallpaper right now by clicking refresh button. And so that's basically it. That's how you change wallpapers on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.